Hi, folks. I'm DrJennifer Sandoval, licensed clinical psychologist and certified sex therapist. And I thought I would mention to you all someone who meant a lot to me in my development as a psychologist, as a couple therapist, as a sex therapist, and that's Dr. David Schnarch. He wrote Passionate Marriage. He wrote Intimacy and Desire. He wrote Constructing the Sexual Crucible and other books. He's written so many different articles around issues regarding relationships. I just wanted to mention this because he passed away suddenly. I believe it's been a couple of years. But I really hope that his work lives on in the work that I do, in the work that my colleagues do, and all the other colleagues around the world that knew him and loved him. But if you want to improve your sense of self and how you show up in relationships, improve your sex life, you need to read Dr. David Schnarch. One of his books is Intimacy and Desire. Another book is Passionate Marriage. And I know he uses marriage in the title, but he talked about how it's really for any long-term committed relationship. I recommend those two books to start with. You will learn a lot about yourself. You'll be very challenged, and you'll learn about things like integrity, how to self-soothe, how to show up from the best in you in relationships. So his name is spelled Schnarch, Dr. David Schnarch. Take care. Bye-bye.